Here's a new 2018 Ford F-150. Job after job, this truck is always ready for the next project. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Engine auto stop start feature, electronic shift on the fly, EcoBoost engine, active grille shutters, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather split bench seats, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, auto dimming rearview mirror, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection explains, make no mistake, every square inch is detailed to cheat the wind to make it easier to extract every possible tenth of a mile per gallon from a classically styled pickup truck. Ford has won over millions of loyal customers with a wide range of value-driven vehicles. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Whether you're buying today or just shopping at Metropolitan Ford, you can expect to experience something truly unique. Call or stop in today. We're conveniently located near 494 and Highway 5 in Eden Prairie.